Austin online to find out what's going on in the Metroplex. We are a sponsor and the coordinator along with the Blue Bonnet Concessions. Go buy a hot dog, buy something, get a t-shirt. Shout out to some friends. We'll be here till 9. My friends, the Second Nature, are getting ready to play. So we're gonna open it up. Yeah, we're gonna open it up with some good old school music. Came in from Houston, so real excited, but we'll be here till 9 o'clock. I'm gonna turn it back over to Jean.
One other thing, the Historic Henley Development Corporation, we own the...
You just said you wanted one.
I do.
You got a cord, boy. You got a cord like you ain't never cord before. Somebody tell him thank you.
I can't pick you up, baby. Sit on the curb.
Here?
Sit right here on the edge. Right here.
You so far. You so
Got the-
far.
I got your hand. And that's it. Right there. Yeah.
Check 1, 2. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2.
That's fine. That's fine.
Test 1.
Fort Worth, Texas, how y'all doing? Make some noise in the house. Listen, y'all, we're Second Nature. We're gonna be your entertainment for this evening for a little bit. We hope y'all have fun with us. We're gonna come out here and do what we do. And I want everybody to just have a good time. Y'all give it up for this event. Make some noise. Come on.
Yeah.
How many Prince fans do we have in the house? That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Come on. Come on, come on. We gonna rock this thing out, y'all. Come on. If you don't like the way you're living in, Did y'all enjoy that? Make some noise in the house. That's for the Prince fans. All right, we're gonna keep this thing going, y'all. We having fun. I hope y'all having fun out there. Yeah. DJ.
Hey man, hey, tie your shoe.
Maybe it's me. Maybe I bore you. No, it's my fault. 'Cause I can't afford you. Maybe, baby, Buffy, Jay-Z would all be better for you. 'Cause all I can do is love you. Baby, when I used to love you, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. Anything you ask me to, but I'm tired of living this lie. It's getting harder to justify. I realize that I just don't love you. Yeah, not like I used to, yeah. Maybe I should rob somebody so we could live like Whitney and Bobby. It's probably my fault, my bad, my law. 'Cause you are above, 'cause all I can do is love you. Baby, when I used to love you, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. I went through the fire for you. Anything you ask me to, but I'm tired of living this lie. It's getting harder to justify. I realize that I just don't love you. Not like I used to, yeah. Did ya, or do you remember wash your face and hands. Rid me of your problems. Do all that you can. Keep me in the daydream. Keep me going strong. You don't want no baby. Sad is a song. And you believe in things that you don't understand, and you suffer. Superstition ain't the way. Hey, hey. No, no, no.
Jackson. Go Jackson, go dance. Go dance. Dance.
I'm very superstitious.
Go dance.
Writings on the wall. I'm very superstitious. Letters about to fall. A 13-month-old baby broke the looking glass. 7 years of bad love. I get things in fast. And you believe in things you don't understand, and you suffer. Superstition ain't the way. Yeah. No, no, no. Make some noise in the house, y'all. How many blues fans do we have in the house tonight? Well, I'm sorry, this evening. Check this out. I wanted to make sure that we cover everybody that's sitting out here. Are y'all having fun? Make some noise. Yep. We got some people out here want to party, but check this out. This is for all the blues fans in the house. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. That was for the blues fans in the house. Like I said, we trying to hit everybody in the place. So now we're gonna take it back to some old school again. Yeah, somebody say yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I hope y'all having a good time. Once again, for the newcomers that came out, we're Second Nature. How y'all doing? Yeah, we're Second Nature. Listen, let me make a quick announcement real quick. Okay, check this out. I'm looking for the date, and there it is. Oh, Friday the 16th, October the 16th and the 17th. Howard Hewitt is coming. Yeah, give it up, give it up. So Jim Austin online, and it's gonna be 1111 East Berry Street, Fort Worth, Texas, 76110. Doors open at 7. Concert start at 8 o'clock. Don't forget, once again, that's October the 16th. That's Friday and Saturday, the 16th and the 17th. Y'all make some noise in the house. Again, for the old school people in the house. Y'all sing along if y'all know this. Come on! Yeah! Look, got band in the house, y'all. This is my party people over here in the corner. I see y'all. Yeah! Girl, you're looking sweeter now. You got it every day, girl. That I could love you right in a special way, girl. You light my fire.